So in a situation like that where your horse is going backwards crazily and uncontrollably, pulling on the reins is not going to help. So what you want to do is disengage the thought. So I do that by picking up on a rein and disengaging to the side and making them work like that, rather than pulling backwards, because that's just going to motivate them to flip over like that video. Although she didn't pull on the reins, that horse already decided it's not going to stop that movement, it's going to keep on going back. So I want to disengage that thought immediately by pulling on that rein to the inside, and that's why it's so important to teach your horses how to bend like this and have them move the hindquarters away, so you have control of the body. If you don't have those things installed into your horse, you're always going to have trouble to disengage a thought or a panicked situation.